Dumpster rental service in Willard, Missouri. At Dumpster417, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient dumpster rental service in Willard, Missouri. Whether you're working on a home renovation or construction project or need to clean up your space, we have the right dumpster. Our simple process ensures your waste management needs are met without hassle. We understand that waste disposal can be overwhelming, but with our easy-to-use service, you can focus on your project while we handle the cleanup. Dumpster417 offers a range of dumpster sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every job, big or small. Our team is committed to fast, efficient, and friendly service, ensuring your experience with us is smooth and stress-free. We take pride in offering clear communication so you always know exactly what to expect. There are no hidden fees, just honest pricing for your needed services. When you choose Dumpster417, you choose a company dedicated to providing reliable service. Our customers in Willard trust us to be on time with every delivery and pickup, ensuring that their projects stay on track. Ready to get started? Call us today at 417-501-3867 to speak with a team member and find the right dumpster for your needs. We're here to help make your waste management process as simple and affordable as possible. Let Dumpster417 make your waste management worries disappear.